Your garden glows with the mystic white flowers, O giver of happiness. A devotional poem written by Sri Ananda Krishna. With the sovereign of the three worlds, I shall renew my ties. To capture my world of darkness, the heavens have thrown their dice. For eternity, every creature has served you with reverence. The mystic garden is fanned by a fragrant breeze in your remembrance. In your dark clouds, every heart sees its darkness. From your ancient sun, every soul seeks its brightness. Your garden glows with the mystic white flowers, O giver of happiness. The pollen of the lilies shall be carried by the fragrant breeze. In your abode of eternity, every soul shall play its game with ease. Ahead of the sacred hour, let my soul arrive at your heavenly gate. The heavens shall no more make me wait. The setting sun shall soon pass beyond the scope of sight. Roar of your powerful thunder I shall hear tonight. Your garden glows with the mystic white flowers, O giver of happiness. Your grace shall allow my soul to fulfill its most noble purpose. The beating of the ritual drum shall fulfill its divine purpose. The jingling bells on your waistband my soul has heard. The sound of your skillful feet dancing to the true of eternity my soul has heard. Long piercing glances you have sent to my soul. Like the honey bees in search of honey, I search for my goal. Your garden glows with the mystic white flowers, O giver of happiness. The first raindrops of your season falls like a balm on my soul. Your nail marks of love I can see on my soul. Fans fitted with shining handles of encrusted gems wave at your being. The redness of the soft rose petals at twilight for eternity I have been seeing. Like a great forest, your strong arm you spread out. Your grace shall enable every bud to sprout. Your garden glows with the mystic white flowers, O giver of happiness. Seeing your dance, all my fears shall be calmed. By the darkness, my soul will no more be harmed. My own devotion I can witness in your thankful eyes. To claim your world of divinity, I am ready to pay any price. Every soul has gone out in secret in search of its mystic lover. In the whole cosmos, you are the only giver. Your garden glows with the mystic white flowers, O giver of happiness. You have taken my soul out of the darkness that even a needle could not pierce. The battle that rages in the dark night is immensely fierce. With the streak of your soft lightning, you illuminate the path of every soul. The high road to divinity, hidden behind the darkness, you shall show to every soul. From the fearful souls, you have never withheld your grace. The thick darkness from every soul you shall erase. Your garden glows with the mystic white flowers, O giver of happiness. The lightning of your thunder has gone weak now, from striking so long. In the darkness of the night, with you I shall get long. When I see the sun rising, I shall carry on with the journey ahead. For into eternity, the fame of my soul has spread. You have never delayed in helping a needy soul. True commitment and faith is my soul's goal. Your garden glows with the mystic white flowers, O giver of happiness. My soul has not taken lightly the jealous anger of the darkness. Doorway into your loving heart I shall find and enter your world of brightness. The soft shadows of my soul fall on the tranquil waters of your mystic lake. Every tranquil heart with your grace shall shake. Though I am strong, yet I am powerless against your quick glances. To keep my heart as pure as the white lilies, bright are the chances. Your garden glows with the mystic white flowers, O giver of happiness. Like the sleeping doves, my soul rests on the terrace of your divine city mansion. After absorbing your grace, my soul is in a state of expansion. The tears of my jealous soul only you can wipe away. The dewdrops from the faces of the lotuses by the rising sun will be taken away. Darkness cannot obscure the rays of your mystic sun. All the darkness of this world shall quickly swerve out of the path of the mystic sun. Your garden glows with the mystic white flowers, O giver of happiness. In your bed of mystic reeds, my soul shall silently sleep. All the consciousness of eternity, my soul shall silently keep. It will be hard for my soul to escape the pull of your divinity. To taste pure pleasure, I have to enter your world of certainty. No soul can resist your beauty laid bare. Your deep blue sky with every soul you share. Your garden glows with the mystic white flowers, O giver of happiness. Your world of divinity shall no more slip through my hands. The tranquil waters of your mystic river shall no more seep into the sands. With your gentle rain, every part of Mother Earth shall swell. Your cool wind caresses the land where angels dwell. The sweet fragrance of Mother Earth let me take in. All your world of divinity let me take in. Your garden glows with the mystic white flowers, O giver of happiness. The fruits of your mystic forest fix my soul shall taste. The opportunity to enter the doors of heaven my soul shall no more waste. The banner of the crescent moon is my soul. Last into the mouth of your sacred fire is my goal. With shower of petals you have bathed my soul. To assume the shape of your lotus flower is my soul's goal. Your garden glows with the mystic white flowers. O giver of happiness, I am pure light, brighter than the sun. To join your army of light, my journey has already begun. Wet with waters of divinity, my soul shakes in anticipation. In the heavens, the angels are waiting for my participation. Through your deep mystic valley echoes your rolling thunder. The dark world has not forgotten any of my soul's blunder. Your garden glows with the mystic white flowers, O giver of happiness. The corner of my eyes catches the light of your mystic moon. The peacock in my soul shall dance soon, with iridescent circles and dazzling lines shines the peacock plume. Your grace has allowed me to enjoy the divine beauty of the peacock plume. To dodge your raindrops, my soul shall hide in your bed of reeds. With your light, every soul in the cosmos feeds. Your garden glows with the mystic white flowers, O giver of happiness.